Had enough of your iPhone's storage limits? Today, we're going to liberate your iPhone and hook it up to an external drive. Here's what you'll need to get started. An external drive, like a portable hard drive or SSD, is essential. Make sure you have a Lightning to USB adapter. This acts as the crucial link for your iPhone to communicate with the external storage. First, connect the Lightning to USB adapter to your iPhone. Simply plug the Lightning connector into your iPhone's charging port. It should fit perfectly. Now, plug the USB-A end of the adapter into your external drive. Ensure the cable is firmly connected. If you are using a USB-C external drive, you'll typically need a USB-C to Lightning cable or adapter, which works the same way. Next, open the Files app on your iPhone. If your external drive is compatible, it should appear under Locations. If it does not appear immediately, try replugging the drive and checking the connection. Tap on your external drive to access its contents. To back up files from your iPhone, select the files you wish to copy, tap Share, then Save to Files, and choose your external drive. Copying files from your external drive to your iPhone is a very similar process.